morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. It's like 52 degrees here and just really dreary. It rained, it poured all day yesterday and up into the night, and it is just gloomy. That's all I can say. But Melvin's getting a shower and we are going to go pick up Mom. She's feeling much better today, which I'm thrilled about, and we're going to take her grocery shopping. So we'll take you with us. I know you'll enjoy seeing her, and she will love interacting with you all. And you all wanted the scoop on Escape Room. We never got out. We're still in it. That is such a hard game. I think we may take it back today and get something that we think we can play. We're a mess, what can I say? But I did want to tell you about this Milani eyeliner right here. It's in semi-sweet. I got it at CVS. It was very inexpensive, and I like how it lines my eyes. It's very creamy. I've been looking for a very creamy eyeliner, so if you're looking for one, you just might like this, and it has the smudger on the end and I think a sharpener in it too. So that's what we're up to, and we will see you in just a few minutes. Well, guys, it's like this. We were gassed in the escape room, and we decided the only way to get out of that room was to take the game back because we couldn't play it. It's so hard. So we picked up Clue. We think we can manage to play Clue. So we're about to play Clue. Okay, so I go first.
Who are you?
I'm Miss Scarlet.
Oh, you're Miss Scarlet.
And who are you?
And I'm Mr. Green.
Okay. Ooh, 10. Where do I want to go to? Where's my door? Oh. All right, I'm in the lounge. So I get to look at this. Okay. I don't want to make an assumption.
Okay. 5, 8. Will they get me anywhere? I'm just...
Yeah.
1.
No, that's Miss Peacock.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I was Mr. Green.
You are Mr.
Oh, I'm way
Green.
over here. Okay.
Maybe we can't play Clue.
6, 7, 8. I'm inside there. Okay. And I do get a clue.
Uh-huh. Don't let me see it, though, because I haven't gotten the ability yet.
All right.
Mark it on your sheet.
All right. All right. Your turn.
Oh, okay. And you didn't have a secret passage.
No, I don't have the secret passage. I can't get over there.
5. Aha. I'm going to take my thing and go to the conservatory.
Which is right there.
Okay.
And you got nothing in there.
I have nothing. Okay, it's your turn.
4. Can 4 get me any place? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooh, clue card. So I move 6. Where do I want to go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I'm loving this. All right, I'll put this in here. All players rush to the room of your choice.
Room of my choice. Okay. Doop.
And I want to go to here.
All right. My turn.
And then,
11. Okay, I'm going to go through the secret passageway
okay.
to the lounge. Gets me back here, and that gives me the card to look at. Okay. All right.
This game I can handle.
Okay.
All right, so it's my turn. So first thing I'm going to do is look at this.
And those are supposed to be clues for us?
Yes, because if it's written down there, it can't be in here.
Oh.
So you're narrowing down.
Oh, I'm narrowing it down. Okay, good.
Oh! 2 clue cards. I think that's right.
Yeah, 2. You get 2.
Okay, 2 clue cards.
She likes clue cards.
And I get to move 2 times. So where do I want to go? I think I will go 1, 2. And let me see. Okay, first, you don't say. There's always time for some good gossip. So we have to show each other one of our cards.
Okay.
Conservatory. Okay, so we'll mark those off.
My turn.
I'll edit it out.
10. I get 10 spaces. Then I'll go 10. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm in that room.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, right. He's showing you.
They might help me.
No.
They might help me.
Okay, it's my turn.
Your turn.
Oh, I am into these clues.
She loves the clues.
1, 2, 3. Under pressure. Choose the guiltiest looking player. Put 1 card from their hand face up in front of them. Ooh, all right, I get to choose.
No, don't I choose?
No, it says I get to choose.
Oh, you get to choose?
I'm going to go for this one. Miss Scarlet. That would be moi.
Okay.
I'm liking these clue cards.
9. Do I got an escape tunnel? No, I don't have an escape tunnel. 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm not doing too good.
Ooh, 11. Okay. Have I? Boy, it's getting bad when I don't remember where I've been. Have I been to that room?
No clue.
Thanks a lot. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've probably been there. No, I have not. It's your turn.
My turn? Okay. Maybe I get a clue card. A double clue card. Nope. 8. Okay, I'm right here. 1, 2, gets me inside of there, and I gotta stop. Here we go. Yeah, but at least you got a lot of clues. 8 of them. Okay, I'm gonna hop down through the hole. Pew. I'm gonna come back out in the study.
Oh.
And I got nothing there, but I got a trap door going somewhere.
To the kitchen.
Where is the kitchen? That's where I'm already at.
That's where you just left.
Boy, that don't help.
8. Okay, where do I want to go? Doesn't really matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I guess I'll go visit the kitchen.
Okay. What do you think?
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom! I'm in the kitchen.
Okay.
Um,
That's all you can do unless you got a clue idea what you want.
I'm getting really close. I'm going to make a suggestion.
Okay.
I'm going to say, and you have to show me one of the cards that's in my suggestion.
Okay.
I'm going to say that Mrs. Peacock used a revolver in the kitchen.
There's your Miss Peacock.
Okay. All right, I'm just going to hang out in my... Oh, I was supposed to take... All right. So, it's your turn. Oh!
I need both of those to help. All right, it says, look what I found. It couldn't possibly be. Name one weapon you won't reveal. If shown, leave card face up on the table.
Okay, what weapon do you want shown? And if I have it, I'll leave it face up.
I want the rope.
Can't show it to you.
Okay. Duh. All players reveal one card from their hand. Leave it face up in front of you. What you get?
Library.
Library. How about a revolver?
Okay, I'm going to stay in the kitchen, and I'm going to say that Professor Plum... Oh, no. No, I gotta roll.
Six. Where can I go with 6? Okay, I need a clue card is what I need.
Oh.
But I can't get one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Come on, give me a clue card. 9. Oh!
What?
I should have made a suggestion.
Too late, right?
Yep.
11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. I'm in the lounge. I read the clue card. All right. I got it. I don't know if that helps me or not. Let's see. Does it help me? Yes, it does, folks. We are doing good. Okay.
Okay. I'm staying in the kitchen. I'm going to make a suggestion.
Okay.
Now, if you have one of these, you have to show me.
Okay.
I say Mr. Plum did it in the kitchen with a rope.
I have a rope.
I'm going to make an accusation. I'm going to say Mr. Plum did it with a dagger in the kitchen. Okay? Mr. Plum, kitchen, and dagger. All right? Da-da-da-da. Dagger, Plum, and kitchen. Got it right, guys. Woo!
Way to go, baby.
I won. So, since we're not gassed now and we're out of the escape room, we want to say that we're going to end this vlog here, and we hope you've had a wonderful time playing this game. It's much easier, I'm
We
sure,
recommend it.
as you all know, than escape room. So, bye
Bye,
guys.
guys.